AWS IAM roles are like guest passes. They grant temporary access instead of permanent credentials. They help control who gets access to AWS resources without needing long-term passwords. Unlike IAM users, roles don't belong to anyone but can be borrowed by users, applications, or services when needed. Think of it as a VIP pass that can be shared, but only with the right people. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine lending your house keys to a friend, but only for a few hours. That's how IAM roles work. They provide temporary credentials, ensuring security while avoiding the risks of long-term passwords. This is perfect for applications or services that need access for a short time. No more worrying about lost keys or forgotten passwords. IAM users are like employees with their own ID badges, while IAM roles are like guest passes that anyone can use if they meet the requirements. Users have permanent credentials, but roles provide temporary access. This flexibility makes roles perfect for scenarios where multiple entities need access without creating individual user accounts. IAM roles are like rental cars. Any authorized driver can use them. They're not tied to a single user, but can be assumed by applications, AWS services, or even users from another AWS account. This makes them great for cross-account access while keeping security tight. No need to hand out permanent credentials. Managing IAM roles is a breeze with the AWS IAM console. You can create, modify, and delete roles, assign permissions, and monitor usage, all from one place. It's like having a control panel for security access, ensuring everything runs smoothly without unnecessary risks. If you love working in the command line, AWS CLI is your best friend. With a few simple commands, you can list IAM roles, making automation and scripting a breeze. No need to click around in the console, just type, execute, and get the details instantly. For developers who love automation, AWS API is the way to go. It lets applications retrieve IAM role details dynamically, making integration seamless. No manual work, just program it once and let the API do the heavy lifting. AWS services are smart. They create service-linked roles automatically. These roles come pre-configured with the right permissions, making management easier. It's like having a personal assistant who sets up security access for you without lifting a finger. Need more details? The AWS IAM documentation is your go-to resource. It's packed with best practices, examples, and explanations to help you master IAM roles. Think of it as your security guidebook, always there when you need it. Assigning IAM roles to EC2 instances is like giving them a security badge. It allows applications running on EC2 to access AWS resources securely without storing credentials. No more hard-coded passwords, just seamless, secure access. Imagine having a VIP pass to another AWS account without needing a secret handshake. IAM roles enable secure cross-account access, removing the hassle of managing long-term credentials. Trust policies act like bouncers, deciding who gets in. This is super useful for businesses managing multiple AWS accounts or collaborating with partners. So instead of passing around passwords like candy, IAM roles keep things secure and streamlined. Ever wished you could log in without remembering yet another password? IAM roles make that dream come true with federated authentication. They work with identity providers like Google or Active Directory, letting users access AWS without needing separate credentials. This means fewer password resets and fewer security headaches. Plus, it's a win for IT teams. Less time spent untangling login issues, more time for coffee breaks. Think of trust policies as the guest list for an exclusive party. They define who's allowed to assume an IAM role, whether it's another AWS account, a user, or a service. Written in JSON, they offer flexibility while keeping security tight. Without a proper trust policy, it's like leaving the party doors wide open. Anyone could walk in. So, setting up trust policies correctly ensures only the right people get access. If trust policies decide who gets in, permission policies decide what they can do once inside. These policies define actions like reading data, launching instances, or managing resources. Since they're written in JSON, they're highly customizable. IAM roles inherit permissions dynamically, making access control more flexible. Think of it like giving someone a backstage pass. Just because they're allowed in doesn't mean they can touch the soundboard. Ever wished you had a security camera for your IAM roles? AWS CloudTrail is exactly that. It logs every role assumption, tracking who accessed what and when. This is crucial for detecting unauthorized access and ensuring compliance. If someone tries sneaky business, CloudTrail catches them red-handed. So think of it as your AWS detective. Always watching, always logging, never sleeping. To wrap it up, IAM roles are like the superheroes of AWS security. They provide temporary access, eliminating the risks of long-term credentials. Trust and permission policies ensure only the right people get in and do the right things. And with CloudTrail watching over, security stays tight. So next time you think about access management, remember, IAM roles have got your back. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.